They give you limiting perceptions of yourself so that you live in a box and you live a small life and you become a part of the system, the matrix, the rat race. We have to break out of that program. We have to drop these limiting beliefs, drop them, come out of the box and take out that program and reprogram ourselves. We basically need a new program. My loves, welcome back. Today I'm here to talk about how we can thrive and how we can position ourselves to win during a pandemic, during a downtime, during a depression. First thing would be your mindset. I can come out of this better. I can come out of this with more. I can come out of this as a new person with new skills, new abilities, new ways to make money, reading on books that talks about these types of topics. Money, how to position yourself to win during a pandemic, during a depression. People who have had this experience already, I want to get information from them, to have more, to do more with myself. Create a vision. Who do you want to become after this? What do you want to have? Once you don't have an ideal to work towards or to go towards, you haven't designed a future for yourself. You are just doing things and living your life based on your past. So everything you're doing, you having a picture of your past, and all your decisions, your day-to-day is based on your past. As soon as you create an ideal, as soon as you create a future that you want, that you prefer, and if you could, the more you can fill up your life with those pictures, then you're now working towards that. You're now thinking about that. You're now thinking about this amazing future. But that doesn't take away from today and the present moment and the activities that you are doing to get closer to that future. And then it all becomes one. You're creating your vision. Some questions to ask yourself. Who am I? Who am I really? Why am I here? Why am I here? Why am I here on earth? Where am I going? Those are some beautiful questions to ask yourself when you're creating a vision for yourself. Developing a skill or improving your skill, whatever skill it is, that skill should be in alignment to the reason why you are here on earth. Two most important times in your life is when you're born, and the second one is when you realize why you were born. In order for us to push forward and for all of this to work out, we have to get out of the program. So we have a program, we were programmed. Think of yourself as a computer and you have different downloads. You become a product of your environment. So when we get an awareness about life, who we are would then be who society has created us to be. They give you limiting perceptions of yourself so that you live in a box and you live a small life and you become a part of the system, the matrix, the rat race. So we have to break out of that program. We have to drop these limiting beliefs, drop them, come out of the box and take out that program and reprogram ourselves. We basically need a new program. We are these amazing computers, and that program was for a specific life, a specific lifestyle, a specific way of living. So if we want to live a different way, if we want a different result, we have to reprogram ourselves for that different type of lifestyle. Self-motivation is key here. Motivate yourself. Flood your days with positivity. If you don't program yourself, society will program you. The things people say about you will program you. When you turn on the news, you watching different whatever you look at, that will program you. That will be your program. And then you get whatever life that would create out of you. If we could think about it in that way, that we are amazing machines, we are amazing computers, and the life that we get is based on our program and it's based on our download, we could understand life more. And we can become the person that we dream of becoming. Motivating yourself to have more, do more, become more, influence more. I mean, that's my type of thing, and I could talk about it forever. Thank you so much for learning with me. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.